Morning, guys. We'll get started in a few minutes. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Like up the stream if you can. Appreciate it. Like it up. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Good morning. Just send out the link now, so we'll wait a few minutes and then we'll get started. How many of you guys took the FRGT with me? 100% runner. I sold at 0.75, but that was my in mind target. I don't usually hold for certain targets, but I had only a little bit left. But yeah, I got my initial target where I kind of wanted to sell. So I'm not even upset that it ran crazy. I'm happy that people held if they did. Definitely would take profits now. Probably will continue to run, but we don't know for certain. If you are up at least 50% on that, you should definitely be out at least 50% of your position as well. So trade smart. Trade smart, trade smart, trade smart. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Alan, bro. Good morning, good morning. ESPR was a very simple play. People in the Discord are cleaning up on this one this morning, which is great. Absolutely cleaning up in the Discord. I know I post those ones on Twitter as well, but in the Discord we're absolutely killing it. Can imagine what we're doing in the Discord if I'm putting these on Twitter, boys and girls. See it every day. See it every day. Yep. So ESPR, hope you guys grab some. I even mentioned it. There's the $2 holla. $2 holla. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That was a nice play on that. If anyone did grab it, well done. If you didn't, it's okay. Do not chase. Chasing will result in probably not a good trade at all, to be honest. Right, let's see what else is moving. Lots of moving this morning. These are all the plays on the watch list in no particular order. Not this is the best, that's the worst. I'm literally just focused on what is moving. So ESPR is a very, very nice play. I just mentioned that, yeah, most people in the Discord are in this already. You guys on Twitter should be as well. I gave it to you literally in this demand zone, which was a very simple setup and trade. Just giving you guys the next levels here on this. These are just the rough levels. I'll clean it up later today. All right, that's what we have on this. So if we're looking here on ESPR, literally just in this demand zone, every time I came back to it, we pushed up and finally we pushed up here. Now we're breaking this $2 level. I'm just going to put this in dark blue. This is psychological level. Hopefully we break, retest, and push to 216. And then we have 255 and then 294. So we're going to have a look and see what we can do with this play. Most of us are in this already from around here. So that is from here to here. That is a 20% move already on that. CCC expecting a break on this. This thing's been absolutely insane. I mean, look at the larger time frame. It looks fantastic, right? So yeah, this one looks very good. I'm expecting a breakout in a bullish pennant. It's doing what you expect price action to do. These wicks are crazy. It's probably going to come down here, right? It's probably going to wick a lot, so that's why just be careful with this. But I am expecting a breakout on this trade as well. HRYU, I am expecting a breakout on this. Yes, it's taking time. We have to have patience. We have to trust that this falling wedge will break out. As I've drawn here, you guys see this setup every time. If you guys are new to trading, right? This is a go-to setup. You see it on my Twitter every single day. It's a bullish reversal pattern, meaning the price is bearish, going in a downtrend. You expect it to break out and push to the upside, right? This is all it is. Look up on Google, falling wedge, learn it, study it, whatever you need to do. It has a very high success rate if you start to add confluences with it. Confluences can be an area of support. It can be reclaiming EMAs, VWAP, all those kind of things. So the more confluences you have, the better. Just a falling wedge on itself is not good enough to get in. It's a higher risk entry, but if you can add confluences to it, that will give you a higher chance of the play to break out. So yes, I do expect this to break out. We should We should get this at least 150 level, so we'll have a look at it. I'm not in any trades right now. I've literally just sold mine before I started. NXU's done exactly what we expected in this demand zone. Every time we've pulled back, we've tapped into it, and now we're pushing to the upside. Here's your next resistance level around this 0.35. I mean, this is 3 cents, which is pretty insane, but it is what it is. These are just the movers that we have, so we play with what we have. So this is what we have right now. So yeah, it should look like it's trying to push to this next level. This is your, obviously, your demand zone. So we'll keep it at that for now. RSLS, I still like this setup. It ran very nicely yesterday. Just have to keep adjusting these levels, but it is still bullish pennant. Unless it starts to break below this low, it's still forming a high low, which is what you expect. It is still bullish. Until it breaks this, basically the structure here of this low, then you would expect it to retest that and come down. But the moment it is still bullish. View, this one has a great chart. I sold this one at entry yesterday, which was kind of annoying at 305, and it just ran absolutely insane. It happens, it happens, it happens, but yeah. What's happening with VCIG? VCIG, I'm not really interested in this. I'll delete this. I don't really want too many plays on my watch list. I like this setup, ECDA. This is a larger time frame. What time frame was this? Oh, we have it on this like. We have this on the 1 hour. It's okay. It's up 11%. That's kind of the reason why I have it on my watch list. SVMH. It's trying to set up for a new level here. So we'll just adjust these levels. I don't really like these candles or price action at the moment. So for me, I'm going to avoid it. The only way I'll be entering this if it breaks that trend line. So keep an eye on that. Just mark. So once you have the trend line like this, just literally go like that, mark that high. And then if it breaks that, then hopefully you can push to the upside. Morning, Charles Bro. Good morning, good morning, morning. If you guys can like up the stream, I'd really appreciate it. I would really appreciate it. 1 second. All right, what else is moving here? Let's see. XB, so wiki display. Let's get some new lines on this, levels. 10 minute. Yeah, so these wicks, I don't really like trading this kind of setup, to be honest, but I'll just mark it like this at the moment. We are actually in a channel down pattern, which is bullish. So we can hopefully, maybe this will break out. At the moment, yeah, it's just kind of just trading within this range. So price action is doing what we expect. We should expect it to push the upside, but we needed to obviously hold this support level here. So this is XBP. CMND, a lot of people are on this one. Larger time frame setup again, 4 hour. If you can break this downtrend, you should be good. It needs some volume though. What is this, $3? $3 level. Good morning, good morning, good morning. On game, what's happening with game? No clear direction on this one yet, on game, unfortunately. I mean, might as well just put it at the high. You just need to wait for the high to break. Personally, that's what I would wait for. There's no clear trend, right? It's just up, down, up, down. So at the moment, I would just wait it out until it does break. For me personally. What else is moving? Good morning, good morning. Let me just send out the link. All right, cool. FRGT, how's this looking? Yeah, this thing's very, it has to get to $1. There's no way it doesn't get to $1. It's right there. So scalps would be for quick 12%. Look what's happening. There's probably a falling wedge. Is there? Probably. Yes, there is. Here it is, right here. Do we expect it to break out? Yes, we do. Will it? I don't know, but it should. So you have all the room down to here for your wedge, right? So that's what you have on FRGT. ESPR, this one's coming down now, so 216 hits. Now we're coming down, holding this previous high, so break. There's the break of this high. Now we're retesting it. Now we should see it hopefully push to the upside. So we're breaking up of that. Now we're coming down to it, and now hopefully we push to the upside. Let's have a look and keep this here and see if it does. It's not going to go exactly on this line. It might go a little bit below, a little bit above, but this is kind of the gist of what is happening with this play and what you expect, right? So here's your setup on this one. CCC, I still like this one. Yes, volume is low, but this thing's been absolute crazy runner, to be honest. Yeah, so this one should break out. This is the best one, in my opinion. So this should break out. I'm definitely expecting a break. Definitely expecting a break on this bullish pen. Falling wedge is literally A+ setup for me. NXU, this is your next level, 0.3 cents. We have RSLS. I still like this one. I mentioned a little bit ago, but it's starting to 15, 30, 45 minutes now of holding this support level and this support level on the bullish pennant. So it is looking good. For me, we personally need this 0.4, which is a big resistance level. So this level here, right? So this level here, if we can break above that, then we should continue to push to 0.5. CNXA. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, the Discord link is in the literally in the description there, and on my Twitter, so you can join it there. CNXA looks good. I know this is a former runner. I'll just keep on my watch list. I don't trade these sub $1 like intraday, but yeah, so it looks good for me right now. There's no reason to be entering. There's no clear trend, right? Just basically draw the downtrend like that. So that's all I have for this, and then just mark the low, which is this kind of support zone, 0.26. So 0.26 you can mark as your support level, and then that's where you can start to build the pieces like this. Mark the high and then identify what's going on within the trend. So we can identify that it's in a downtrend, but now it is trying to reverse off the support, right? So if you want to be very accurate, I guess you can do it like this, right? But that's kind of what you're at the moment. So that's what you have on CNXA. So you need to wait for the downtrend break on that, but it needs to at least get. Yeah, this chart looks good. So, I mean, it looks good. We should expect it to reverse, but we'll see if it breaks this downtrend. NXU, yeah, I like this one as well. You guys will notice with these live streams, right, I'm literally just rinse and repeating all of these same setups that I see because they're the top gainers. They're the ones that give you the most opportunity. Well, in terms of my strategy and setups, trying to find something, a hidden gem that hasn't run in a few years, a few weeks, a few months, right? It's very difficult. You'll be waiting a long time. All I do is simply just look at the top gainers, see which ones are running, and basically add them to my watch list and see which ones give me the right setup. Saves me a lot of time. I don't use screeners, scanners, none of that stuff. I literally just add the volume, high volume plays, that's all. Views are very nice chart as well. This would have been a good swing if anyone did get in. Like 240 level down all the way to 4. From here to here. It's like a 40% swing. It's not bad, not bad, not bad. ECDA, this one's a silent play. Kind of like this one actually. Slowly pushing up. A lot of people are also watching this play. This is actually looking good. This might be possible entries, to be honest. On this, so we have falling wedge again. Everything looks good. So here's your falling wedge on SVMH. Right, so here's your setup. Let me just clean it up a bit. Here's your setup on this. So you should expect this to break out, SVMH. Yeah, so I'll put this on Twitter for you guys as well. SVMH, this should break out. RSLS. Oh, I just went over this. Yeah, this one looks good. Larger time frame, it looks good. Still in a bullish pen, it's still respecting trend lines, everything's still intact. Yes, it's down here, but it's it's basically responding to this really good. Yeah, this is good. You'd like this. This is what you want to see. Very nice play yesterday, 53%. It even ran even more yesterday. It was a very good setup. So yeah, I like it. FRGT is definitely double one setup. If anyone took that play, I literally gave it to you again and again and again. I said that you can basically enter within this wedge and it should break out, and look what it did. If you entered on this candle here, that is a quick 8% move. 8% is a very good profit. Yeah, so that's very good. ESPR, this one's looking like it's trying to reverse again. Let's see what happens. Very, very volatile play. HRYU, yes, I am still expecting this to break out. It's probably going to come lower around here, but towards open, we should try and see if this can go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, whether it be about the Discord, about my trading, about anything, about Twitter post, feel free to ask. I'm here to help you guys. So yeah, ask away. I'm open to any questions. Yeah, I do think it'll go over $1. It should go over $1. I mean, it's right there. It's right there. Should. You should get $1. When will it do it? I don't know. Is it going to be in 10 minutes, 15 minutes? I have no idea, but it should get there. It's up 225%. The momentum with it is absolutely crazy. Literally just playing the momentum. That's all it is. So literally falling wedge again that I gave here. I know I just mentioned it, but falling wedge, entry was around here, and then bang. And that, so it was a very steady setup. Yeah, just message me on Discord. I'll sort out your role. I know someone just had an issue as well. Yeah, just message me on the Discord role. I mean on Discord DM, and I'll get back to you. We're also doing the live trade. I'm gonna do a run through for the new members. So those who just joined now, and then also those who joined this week, I'm basically just gonna run through Discord and how it works, how alerts work, and all that. It's pretty simple, but just mandatory that we do it with all members so they understand what's going on. Gimbal. For those messaging me on Twitter, you guys can just join the YouTube. You can message me on the YouTube, it's easier, instead of messaging me through there. It's got to look at so many things. Gimbals, I said this chart yesterday, it is bearish, right? It's in a descending triangle. Unless you get a candle close above this downtrend, then you'll be fine. But at the moment, it's not looking too great. Well, I mean, it's looking all right, but you need to break the downtrend. NXU, guys, I'll be here for 5 more minutes. I'm literally gonna go to my watch list, and then I've got to run through some things with new members. Yeah, here's NXU. It looks good. Falling wedge. It's already broken out of this. Here's your next level: 0.35, and then 0.39, and then 0.45. Well, I mean 4.5 cents. Yeah, it's 4 cents. Oh, I don't get why all these plays are here. Damn. Yeah, this is it right here. Yes, we give live trades, we give live alerts, entry, stop loss targets. What I do on Twitter is literally just charts that I post. It doesn't necessarily mean that I get in. All the trades that I get in, I alert them in the Discord with entry, stop loss targets. I do live trading, live seminars, educational stuff is all there for you guys. Basically teach you how I trade and how I chart. It's literally all there handed to you guys so you can learn how I trade. Here's the link if you want to join. This is it here. Batuga, you can just click that link. Hassie's just yesterday. Hassie put spots open, so you should be fine. UTRS. All right, guys, I'm gonna go over this watch list and I've got to head out. UTRS has low volume, no clear direction. I guess it's a little uptrend here, right? We're starting to get an uptrend. We should break above this level, but this is your, I don't know what's going on with this. This is your level here. Oh, here we go. 322 is your level to look for that entry. If you can break above that, you can look for possible entries on that. Break that and you should be good. Then you have literally this 386 all-time high, I'm assuming. All right, so I'm gonna go through my disc, run through this, and then, yeah, there goes $1. Did anyone grab it? Anyone grab it? Let me know. Let me know if you grabbed that. ESPR, this one's looking good as well. I'm just gonna move these lines, too much going on. But yeah, we should expect this to push the upside. CCC, I do like this one as well. HRYU, I am expecting this to break out. Yes, it can come all the way down to 120, but I still do expect it to break out. NXU, this one's probably gonna run it open as well. Very nice chart. RSLS, continuation from yesterday, 50%. CNXA, this one's just moving from earlier when someone asked me to have a look. There's your break of downtrend, literally right here. That was your entry candle, bang. View, continuation, this thing's insane. The chart's very, very bullish. ECDA, this is like a silent, slow play. I'm gonna keep an eye on this and hopefully it does break out. SVMH, this one is looking good as well on the 5 minute. We should break out, as I mentioned. XBP, this one's looking good as well. Channel down pattern should push up. And then CMND, volume's coming in with this and it is up 5%. So keep that one on watch. All right, guys, I'm going to head into Discord. All right, Batuga, Batuga, if you want to join like pretty much now, I'm gonna send out Google Meets link for all the new members, and then just run you guys through Discord, how it works, so you can understand what's going on. And then we literally do live trading in 30 minutes. So I'll catch you in the Discord then. I hope you guys have a great day. Once again, thank you so much for all the support on Twitter. We're growing at a very, very quick rate, which is fantastic. I can't thank you guys enough. I mean, I'm more thankful that you guys are making money off it and kind of trying to learn as well, right? I try and post charts that I expect prices to go up, and you guys can literally see my charts most of the time is literally the same setup every time, right? So starting to learn that kind of setup will definitely help you with your trading. Obviously, if you want to learn more how I trade and all just alerts in general, feel free to join the Discord as well. So I hope you guys have a great day. I will catch you all tomorrow.